first sea day, day 2, and we're out here doing exactly what we said we would do. Hang out on the balcony. I don't really foresee us doing much anything else today. What about you? No. We did eat breakfast up on the Lido. One thing that this ship is that I like so far, and they have them on the new ships, but the soft drink dispenser. Oh yeah. And when you're in this room, you get bottomless bubbles, so I'll be going upstairs. And it's the thing, we're just only one flight up. Like, right above us is the Lido. But anyway, it's started off as a cloudy day, but this looks like we're it's going to be a nice sunny day. I mean, it's still some clouds up in the sky, but a lot better than yesterday. We stopped by Shaq's Big Chicken. First time we brought it down here to our table here, looking out at the sea. And the doggone drink dispensers for the soda's like not working. I don't know why. So we got tea. But this is our first time. I did get some of the Shaq sauce. It's pretty good. I'd want to say the Shaq sauce.
Does it compare to that?
A little warm. I don't know where the warm's coming from the chip. From this or from the sauce. But I feel a little bit of heat, but I'm a little bit of a wuss too, so there's that. You let me know where the heat's coming from. She didn't get Shaq sauce on hers.
The breading on
the breading, yeah. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Oh, and you got potato salad through. I'm talking with my mouth full. But we could have ate with everyone else upstairs with all the noise and all that, but we figured, hey, this is a great place to eat. All the noise you hear is from the ocean, from the water. I'd say that it was pretty decent. It was pretty decent, so definitely worth the try. Will I go stand in another line for it? Probably not. The line was pretty long. It's lunchtime, so. But it's decent. I know they have breakfast there and stuff like that, so. I ate all of mine. She ate all of hers, so there's that. So, I think I'm gonna go jump in a hot tub. Not really hot tub. It's gonna be cold. That's not. The hot tub felt like really good, like really good. But I think I'm gonna just kind of. What I mean by like cold, it's not really like cold. It's like lukewarm-ish, which would be great. I don't want anything too cold. It's not that hot. It's, I want to say, maybe 80. There's more clouds running in though. That's the sad thing. Look. I'm kind of over the clouds. Let's go take a look. Kind of over the clouds. Kind of over them. See what we got. That's not too bad. Definitely a lot of kids in the hot tub down there. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 kids in this hot tub down there, and just one. The other one has 6. They're a little older. See what the pool has down here. Pool has that many. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go get ready to go to the hot tub, cold tub, whatever tub I'm gonna have it as. Like I said, this thing gets really hot. It was pretty nice last night. Yeah, in case you missed it, like it was big enough for wife and I. So I think she's gonna take a nap. I may take a nap too, but I'll take a nap in there. Life is hard, ain't it? This is a nice little low restaurant. It's pretty nice. First time in here, and we're fixing to put in our order. Barbecue, egg rolls. They're pretty good here. Spring roll, whatever they are. And then got a little appetizer of
Spaghetti carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara, which I got the entree for. Take a look to prove it. Egg rolls, spaghetti carbonara. Yeah. So today is a Super Bowl, and you know, I'm a big sports fan. More importantly, I'm a Cowboys fan. Hence the reason why we're not watching the Super Bowl. Today is the 49ers versus the Taylor Swifts.
The Swifties.
The Swifties. So I decided, just like our last Super Bowl cruise, to spend more time doing cruise stuff with my wife instead of watching the Super Bowl with a bunch of strangers. Which, hey, nothing wrong with watching football with a bunch of strangers when you're not on a cruise. I'd rather my Cowboys be in it though. I'm still a little butthurt. Alright, I'm gonna eat. So, we were just having a conversation and my wife ended it with saying, "You're right." All right, so for the first time since our back-to-back last year, because we went on the Horizon in December, and I didn't get warm chocolate melting cake, but used to, when I first get on the ship, this is what I had to have every single night. Well, I kind of grew out of that, but this is warm chocolate melting cake, and it's been a while.
As good as you remember.
So good, I messed up my camera. Yes, it is so good. Yes, it's really good.
Yummy,
Thanks.
yummy. You like something else, anyway?
No, we're good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything's getting
I remember the first time eating this. We were on the Carnival Dream in 2015. Our server was Yatna. And he was like, you have to try this. Fell in love ever since. But then I just kind of, I don't know. We've been on so many cruises that it's like.
I think what did it was that one time they brought 2 or 3 out to y'all.
Oh
I
yes,
think that's what did it.
with Big Mike, yeah. So Big Mike, if you're watching, I know you remember this. We were on the Carnival Breeze, and for some stupid reason, we decided to go and eat like 5 of them. Because like our server was like, hey, here's more, here's more, here's more, and we challenged each other. It's a miracle we didn't stroke out, have a heart attack or anything like that. Because I know I was regretting it. I know Big Mike said he was regretting it, but it was still fun. And that's probably right. That's probably when it was like, ugh. So these are good, but you don't want to eat 5 of them. Did we eat 5 or maybe 3 or 4?
I think y'all had 3, and then you had whatever the leftovers was that I had, because I couldn't eat all one.
Yeah.
With my one, I couldn't eat all of it.
You know, some guys, they'll go and challenge each other like how much they could drink. Maybe, ooh, that could have killed us. I mean, really, there's so much sugar in this. I felt horrible the next day. Later on.
No, good.
Yeah. Oh. Still good though. Still good. But usually, see, she's got the, what's it called? Banana cream pie, which is really good. I just think it's better for breakfast.
It does taste better at breakfast.
And then,
It's a different.
right, it's a little different. And then for the next time we'll be in here, we'll get bitter and blanc, or I will. I love bitter and blanc. And then the last night, I'll get baked Alaska, which is kind of like it's kind of like Neapolitan ice cream, but for a cake with like ice cream kind of mixed in. It's really good. We're at the Alchemy bar. First time we've ever had the Alchemy bar here, or anywhere really. And we're going to try the remedy. Or yeah, we'll share. When do we come last? Thank you. This is remedy. It's a remedy. You can smell the alcohol, but you can't taste it. Here, try it. what I mean by the smell? Alright, thanks.
Are you going to the...